Imagine seeing your city's waste system come to life. Not just where the garbage ends up, but how well each site is maintained, how often it's cleaned, and where the issues really are. With MAPOG, you can turn that data into a powerful, interactive map anyone can explore. Start by creating a new map on story.mapog.com using the category template. Give your project a name and add a short description to explain the story you're telling. Before adding points, add important layers using GIS data panel like landfill boundaries, municipal transfer stations, and district outlines. These layers help you place each location in its full urban context. Next, open the Add Story tab and set up your categories: dumping grounds, RTS, refuse transfer station, and waste transfer stations. These act like chapters that organize your map and guide your audience through the story. Once your categories are ready, begin plotting locations using the address search or lat-long input. For each site, add key details like the title, a small description, and add an image. To streamline your map, define point types with shared icons and attributes like type of facility, its capacity, and rating for cleanliness for each category. This ensures consistency across points. You can still customize individual locations using the Point Customization tab, assigning icons and labels for clarity and visual appeal. When you're done, hit Share and Publish and generate a public link. You can share it across websites, blogs, or presentations, letting citizens, planners, and officials interact with the data directly. With MAPOG, mapping waste isn't just about locations. It's about understanding systems, spotting gaps, and building cleaner cities from the ground up. Need help? Just email us at support@mapog.com.